I'm Tania. I'm the clinical director and the founder of Uniskin. We specialize in aesthetic medicine and agelessness, and our passion is men and women, especially over the age of 45. I've 30 years of experience working in trauma and medicine, South Africa and the UK. I have a unique backpack of skills which I accumulated working during the apartheid and Angolan war, surrounded by wildlife and animals, crocodiles, hippos, gunshots, shark bites, etc. I am the eternal SWAT, so I've done 4 degrees at master's level, written 28 research papers, published some, and I've now just written a book about agelessness. My passion is for men and women over the age of 45, and the reason is we experience so much change at this age. Women are starting to go into menopause, we've lived life, we have illness, injury, anxiety, stress. Children are leaving the home, our bodies are changing, and then we are starting to seek help. So we specialize doing the outside but also the inside. The big thing we do is about restoring at cellular level, outside and on the inside. And then we also regenerate using DNA and various other medical modalities. And then we nourish. Our patients are really important to us. We do not do turnstile. We really care for every individual, and we just want you to live your best life. Agelessness is not just about aesthetics, it is really about feeling your best self. So half of the time, many of the patients come in here have bigger stories. We don't treat a face, we treat an emotion. And I think aesthetics get such bad press because of the bad news that makes the stories. That is the news line. So if you could see how many ladies, but they keep it private, and men walk out of here being really empowered. Empowering women is absolutely my passion, helping them to live their best lives, but for them to come in and sometimes just be a husk of themselves. They have a broken relationship, they are lonely, their children has left the house, they are in changing careers, and the thing that breaks my heart is when they tell me they're fading. Nobody wants to fade, so just by doing a little thing for these ladies and men puts them back to their old self. To see them go out of here, ring their husbands and go, I'm going out, warms my heart. So for men and women, this is really important. Aesthetics is not about the outside, it's also about the inside, and that's what we all care about. So what we started to do is form partnerships with other unique women and individuals who share the same passion as myself. We have a permanent makeup artist, and her passion is for women who's lost their eyebrows due to cancer, due to over plucking, insecurities. Sometimes when you're nervous you pluck your eyebrows and there's nothing left. So she restores the eyebrows, she restores the hairlines where the hair is lost due to menopause, and at a later stage she will be also restoring nipples after mastectomies. So everything we do is geared up to restore women to their old self, just to recognize themselves. And it's not about growing old gracefully, it's about growing old happily, being your best version of yourself, being the person you recognize, the person you see in the mirror and go, there she is. That is what we're about. Sasha, she's a dietitian who's joining the team. We're doing DNA, so again, we're doing nutrigenomics, unique new medicine, and the whole purpose of that is to predict and find out what's happening to you in the future in your genetics. We age because our cells age, and that's because of nutrition. So your body borrows from other parts of your own body to supplement what you don't take in through your food, which means that DNA pool becomes depleted, and because of that you actually age. So heart disease and diabetes are all signs of aging, and we are against that. We want to change that right at the beginning, and that's why we specialize in agelessness.